What it do, YouTube? Hey, one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. And today, I will be announcing the winners for the Juvia'S Place palette. Cannot wait to see who wins. And you guys, you know, can live your life up. No, I'm joking. I'm doing a real simple makeup look right here. If you want to see the review that I did on this hair, I will link the video down below. And yeah, let's get into this makeup look. So the first color I'm going to get into is the Zobo color, which is a nice burgundy plum shade. Yeah, nice plum shade by Juvia'S Place, the Masquerade mini palette. Simply, you know, put that on the outer skirts. Skirts. And then putting that on the inner corner. Like so, like that. Tabitha's voice. So now that I have that, I'm going to go into the orange shade in the James Charles palette. This orange shade right here. And put that next to the purple. Like so, like that. I know. Somebody's shooting outside. I cannot deal. Welcome to the hood. Put that in the inner. Everybody's in my house, so I ain't worried. Niggas is still shooting in a pandemic. People dying from coronavirus. And you still find the time to shoot each other. Annoying, I swear. People are losing their jobs. Barely have money to eat, barely have money to pay their rent, and y'all still find time to shoot each other. That's what we live in, world of sin. Anyway, I know y'all excited to see who won. I'm excited to send you guys the palette. You know there's gonna be two winners that's gonna get the palette, so hooray to that.
Without adding product to the brush, I added the two orange together to make a bridge.
Then I want to put yellow in the middle of that, but I'm scared it's not gonna pop like I need it to. I'm going to the Maddie Ziegler palette, and I'm gonna get that yellow like butter and put that all in the center. The boys is out. I know it might seem like I'm unfazed, but I'm really not. I'm just annoyed at the buffoonery that be going on in this world. I'm going to go into the purple from the James Charles palette under this sparkly purple right here and put that on the outskirts. They got there fast, the popo. So I'm about to pick one of the winners. I'm using the raffle app, and this will be for the Masquerade winner. So the raffle will be popping up right here. So let's get ready. I'm nerve sighted. There's 11 people. I said there was 13 at first. It's raffle. Y'all see your name scrolling. Do y'all see your name scrolling? So I'm not capping. I'm gonna press the raffle button. Amanda Bellu, congratulations. You always comment on my videos, sis. I appreciate you. You're one of the winners for the Masquerade Mini, which is this palette right here. DM me on my Instagram, which is at Minnie Dollface. If you're not following me already, which you should be. If you're not, sis, I'm taking it away. But yeah, congratulations to you. Your Fenty Beauty. You know, what is this? I don't know what this is. This Trophy Wife. And put this in the inner corner of my eye. Ooh, Trophy Wife always be hitting the spot. Then I'm gonna go into my Starstruck Belle and put in my highlight on these hoes. Ooh, 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 they love. Are you for sure? Who do you love? Are you for sure? I'm gonna be doing more giveaways. I like doing giveaways. I want to see people happy. I probably need to comment there on the giveaways because I don't want people to think this is a giveaway channel. What are you laughing at?
Hey, no, this is a joke, but he's getting chipped out his money.
What do you mean?
Playing the cup game.
We'll put this on the brow bone. Little swizzle there, you feel me? So I figured out how to give my videos more light, and I'm excited. The next winner will be receiving the Magic by Juvia'S Place Mini. This is my regular size one. I'm sure you're going to be getting the same colors. So let's see who's winning that jazz. Go back into that raffle, you know. Congratulations, Amanda Bailey. Alright, go into Juvia'S Place Magic winner. I took Amanda out. Don't worry, you guys. Y'all see your names going through. You see Amanda is not in there. Okay, so let's start this raffle. Congratulations, Stephanie Zazuita Matt. I'm gonna put her name right here. Congratulations to you. Hit me up on Instagram. And congratulations both of the winners. I'm sorry for the people that did not win. Don't worry. Stay tuned for the next ones because I will be doing better giveaways. I might do 3 next time. I might do 4. I might do 5 winners. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is the finished makeup look. If you want to see the hair review on this hair, I will leave the link down below. Oh, this is my shirt from Shein. I do clothing hauls. I do makeup. I do hair reviews. I color my hair. I do whatever you want me to do. No. So this is the makeup look. Living my life like it's golden. What is that on my shoulder? Makeup. Ooh. Living my life like it's golden, sis. What? You can't tell me nothing. But congratulations to the winners. And until next time, peace.